Hi everybody, how are you? Today, right, I just want to quick lecture for you about how to apply Candlestick Layer Pro. Okay, I believe that many people, right, after you learn technical analysis, the first popular topic is candlestick. You learn many patterns. You learn about Fibonacci. You learn about trend line, plus how to identify resistance and support. This is many knowledge that you learn from many books, many professional traders. But I just in ARTT, when we learn any knowledge, we need to identify or verify priority. Priority is very important for trader to pick up the signal to adjustment. Why adjustment very important? Because when you saw, sometimes you saw in chart, you saw signal A, tell you should buy, or signal B, tell you should sell. Signal C, show you do nothing. How to decision making? You should buy, follow signal A or B or C. This is very important. That means every time when you see chart, you need to know about priority. Priority help you to adjustment. Adjustment is very important. Okay. You cannot become success trader because of you are good follower. Follower is good if your reader is give you signal every day to follow. But actually in the real world, you cannot follow some people all the time. You should think by yourself. You should practice yourself until you have skill. Because I think don't have trainer, right, trade same as your product. Sometimes you looking for the product that you interesting, but nobody can give guideline to you. You need to think by yourself. This is my suggestion. Okay, come back. If I want to learn candlestick, candlestick is a part of price movement. Candlestick is a part of price movement. That means candlestick is a small part. What is meaning of small part? Small part is mean priority is low. If you apply only candlestick themselves priority is low. But if you are mix or synchronization between candlestick and price movement, you can upgrade your signal from candlestick for you to action. Okay. Because of candlestick, it's a part of price movement. That means if you apply Dow theory, that tell you about market have two status, trend or non-trend. Trend is mean up or down. Up is mean market make higher high and higher low, and this market move down, market make lower high and lower low. That means to identify uptrend or downtrend, you need too high and too low. This is minimum information. Too high and too low. Too high is mean high and high compared together. Too low and mean low and low compared together. High and high compared together. Low and low compared together. Okay. In non-trend is mean any price movement is not matching with uptrend or downtrend. It means sideways. That means you don't need to remember how many type of sideways. You just remember trend. If market not move as uptrend or downtrend, we call non-trend or we call sideways. Okay. If I try to pick up this picture and redraw again in the big one, you can see this picture. This picture identify high or high and high or low. In this part, we can see two parts of price movement. First part is mean price move continuation. Continue. And this part, price move as a reversal. This part, price move as a continue. This part, reversal. This part move as a continue. Okay. In ARTT, when you mention about price movement trend, okay, that means you know they have uptrend and downtrend. But if we focus only uptrend, trend is up. In ARTT, we develop theory to become a strong trend and weak trend. This is strong trend. This is weak. That means when you apply candlestick, you apply this for continue. And you apply this also for continue. And you apply this and this for reversal. That means this is continue 1 and continue 2. This is reversal 1 and this is reversal 2. Same. Weak trend is same. Continue 1. Reversal 1. Continue 2. Reversal 2. Okay. In this case, right, for strong trend, if you want to apply candlestick, that means you should know about continuation pattern. In ARTT, we apply continuation based on HOG, or head of gangster. We apply this theory to identify continuation pattern in strong trend and weak trend. Continuation pattern in strong trend and weak trend is support strong trend or against strong trend. Is support weak trend or is against weak trend. For example, when you saw strong trend, okay, when you saw strong trend, that means when you have two choice, you first choice, if you not ARTT, you plan to follow buy. But if you are ARTT, you plan to buy when price retrace. You plan to buy when price retrace. That this retracement is referred for ARTT version 2. That means we have 4 methodology to identify or predict the lowest here. Okay, but in this case we not mention. Okay, but if you want to buy when price retrace, that means this pattern is show strong trend, well, not strong trend, because you want to buy here when price retrace, but you need to make sure that this is real strong trend. That means in our ARTT, in this part of strong trend, they also show signal fake strong trend and real strong trend. Fake strong trend is mean if this part right is real strong trend, they will show 2 characteristics: retraceless. Retraceless is mean when market start to retrace, they will retrace what they call not significant. They will retrace like this, or retrace like this, or retrace like this. They will not go and retrace like this. Okay. In real, and after they show the real strong trend, they will break above previous high. EC. That means this is previous high. This is previous high. This is your buy point. If strong trend, it confirm real strong trend, they will retrace less, retrace not much. After that, when they run away up, they will break above previous high. EC. That means for fake strong trend, they will retrace more. And difficult to break. above previous high. This is characteristic of fake strong trend. Retrace more. Why it's very important? Because if market move, okay, this is point 1, 2, 3, and 4. If market run away up from point 3 to 4, that means this movement is longer than this movement. When you saw this, right, you think this is strong trend. Strong trend. When you saw it's strong trend, sometimes you not take profit. You plan to hold your position, hold your stop, and wait until price retrace again. Price retrace again. After price retrace, you plan to buy more. This is a strategy that all traders always do it. But in this case, you see, right, they will retrace more for fake. If you don't know this is a fake or real, if they are show fake, if you hold position and wait until market retrace finish, maybe market drag you down until you lose money or your profit is low. This is a problem if you don't know. And when you want to buy, because you think this is a strong trend, but you don't know it's real or fake, if you plan to buy here this point, okay, sometime, if you plan to buy this point sometime, after you bought, you think market should run away up, break above previous high, but actually fake strong trend. After you bought, maybe they sideways. After sideways, they try to move action line up higher than previous high, but after that, falling down. That means if you don't know candlestick pattern to identify fake or real in strong trend and weak trend, well, I want to tell you it's really difficult for you to survive in the market. This is my suggestion. Same. When you apply candlestick continuation with weak trend. Weak trend is mean when market retrace, if you wanna buy, you buy less. And sometimes, if market show weak trend, when market start to retrace, you plan to sell or take profit. That take profit position that you hold. Take profit, but because of they also have fake or real. Fake is mean market look weak, but they still have chance to move up. That means if you saw it's real, if you saw it's weak trend, you maybe plan to buy less or not buy. If you buy less or not buy, you will lose your opportunities because market still have chance to move up. And if you plan to sell or take profit, when market move up and show confirm weak trend, when market start to falling down here, retrace, you take profit. After you take profit, market still have chance to move up and move up. When they move up again, you scare to follow. If you scare to follow, that means you lose your opportunity. This is a problem. Okay, that means if you want to apply candlestick like a pro, you need to matching between price pattern, basic price pattern with continuation pattern. This chart pattern and price pattern and the candlestick continuation pattern should work together to verify. If you don't know how to synchronize between candlestick and price pattern, you will find fail signal all the time. Fail signal will make you lose your opportunities. Always lose your opportunity. This is my suggestion. To cover the topic, apply candlestick like a pro. You need to matching. You need to, yes, in market they have many pattern more than weak trend or more than strong trend. But this chart pattern is basic price pattern when market move as a trend. As I told you many times, if you are newbie, I always suggest you trade only when market move as a trend. When market move sideways, I not suggest you to trade because you are newbie. Entry at support, sell at resistance, it cannot apply. If you still apply, you may earn money for the first and second time, but after that, if you apply again, you will lose money. Okay, you should trade only when market move as a trend if you are newbie. But if you think you are professional trader, yes, you can trade in many market situations. It's up to you. But if you are newbie, you should learn how to trade with trend. No trend, no trade. This is my suggestion. Okay? To apply, let me summary for you again. To apply candlestick like a pro, you need to learn about continuation pattern that work together with price pattern as a weak trend or strong trend. To identify this weak trend is real or fake, this strong trend is real or fake. If you know your strong trend is real or fake, or if you know your weak trend is real or fake, you know what happened in future. If you know what happened in future, yes, you can apply your knowledge to push money in the market. Okay, I think this lecture is long enough for newbie or forward member to learn how to apply candlestick like a pro. Thank you very much to support me. See you next round.